I decided that maybe I will not sell my Core i7 7820X, which is a really hot processor with a very good mainboard. I could maybe get like $150 for it. That's not really worth it. It's a really nice platform that I can later update, maybe upgrade to what was it called? Something or other Interlake, whatever, where the CEOs go swimming or whatever. So I made that decision and I bought a proper cooler for it, hopefully, but I'm beginning to wonder how professional this may be. On the package they wrote 230 watts. If that's what it means, I'm a little worried, because on the website it says 240 watts. So, it's from a questionable brand, but yeah, you'll see tests and whatever. This is just unboxing and me blabbering about it a bit. So, let's open it up, like so. Come on. Like that, or towards me. How do you cut safely with a cutter? Come on. Let's just... Oh. So it is actually 230 watts on the box. And I cut into it pretty well. It's no problem. Pro gaming computer for... allegedly this is a well-known Chinese brand, which stands on its own. Hypercold. I'm sorry, I just said professional. Hypercold T400 ARGB CPU cooler, Aura Sync, Halo RGB fan, no speakers, Intel and AMD, 120mm size, and 4 heat pipes, which is kind of surprising because I saw a lot of 4 heat pipe coolers that can't do anywhere near 230. Excuse me. Let's see. So, fan speed... What? I don't think this was filled out correctly. Yeah, it supports all the processors, whatever. I think I'm wasting my time on the packaging. Yeah, let's just open it up. It's not sealed, so hopefully we have something inside. Ooh. Ooh. So this is why they say 230, because it's quite big. It's quite big. I mean, not as big as the thermal tick that was previously installed on this processor, but kind of okay. This is a proper size. I really like it at first glance. The fan just clips on here with this support bracket, and it's configured for AMD, but you can mount it on any socket or slot. You can use this stupid thing. You mount it on an Intel platform and it grabs these two things. Some thermal pasta, thermal grease, which is okay. 6.1 watt meter Kelvin, whatever that means. I mean, whatever. I don't think it's written here correctly, but That's what it's supposed to be, watt meter Kelvin. And yeah, 2017. Oh yeah, that's the standard. Okay. So yeah, we got a little bit of thermal paste. It's a very nice touch that they didn't put it on just like that. Some people might want to put something else. So it's always good to have choices. You don't have to clean it off. It has a protective film. And yeah, some marks on the fins. But nothing serious. I mean, most heat sinks, heat sinks have some manufacturing marks on them or handling marks. But so far, I think it seems great with ARGB header and 4-pin fan header. And yeah, I'll see how I mount it, because with these things I don't think it's compatible with LGA 2066, even though it says it's compatible. This won't. I don't think this will fit on that. It's not even in the specification. I mean, they don't specify the sockets actually exactly, just the processor types. And there's no manual. At least I haven't seen any. Was it in the wrapping? No. So yeah, this is mostly for thermal compound, and you have one more thermal compound. So this was definitely put together like after it was manufactured. They just picked some random parts and put them in a box. You got 2 thermal pastes. And these little supports are not appropriate for Threadripper or this LGA 2066. What else? That doesn't have a through-hole mounting. Yeah. I'll have to make it work somehow, but yeah. Maybe I can mount this with screws, because the big LGA socket has threaded holes on the 4 corners. So I think I have to do something like that. But yeah, this is the only negative part. On the website it says, oh yeah, look. I don't know if you can see it on camera. Yeah, now it focused on it. It says LGA 775, 115X, 17XX, 1366. So these are older. Yeah, these are the old sockets, which all use these holes in the 4 corners at different lengths, slightly different, like 2 millimeters or something, and this bracket accounts for that. So you can put the mounting plastic screw on the outer part or the inner part or in the middle. So yeah. Yeah, that's it for now, and I'll try to mount it on that kit I want to sell. I wanted to sell and I maybe keep, because it's a good system for that price. I don't want to give it away. I wanted to make it look pretty, but it seems that I'll have to jerry-rig the mounting bracket. Oh well, it happens sometimes. You spend... Oh yeah, I didn't mention how much it was. It was 20 bucks. With the 120 fan, 4 heat pipes, and relatively big heatsink. Yeah. You'll see it in the next video or after the next video. See you then.